Hey there friends, welcome to another video here. I'm checking out the silicone drying mat. And this is for dishes or whatever. Get your dishes all cleaned and then set them out on here to dry. And then of course silicone, nothing really sticks to it very well, so the water is just going to be able to kind of get caught in here between here, and then you can just dump it out on the end. We're just going to put this underneath our a lot of times we have our drying rack, and then sometimes we have other dishes that don't fit, so we'll put this. We were using just a towel we put down behind. We thought maybe this would be a little bit better to put some this on here, like the bigger dishes, so you can just put that on there and that water should collect in between here, and then we can just dump it out when we're done. Should be super handy. And then this folds up real small too when you're done. Silicone is really versatile, and then we can just put it under our cabinet when we're done with that. But something super handy to have, just kind of helps keep things a little cleaner and easier to work with. This is non-slip too, so we had, when we put the like our towel on the side, sometimes we'd lean up our dishes and it would slide on the counter because it doesn't have any traction, you know. But silicone, of course, has a nice feature also where it doesn't really slip around. It just kind of stays where you put it. So that's another handy benefit to this drying pad. So yeah, I hope this is helpful, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.